Hello everyone, this is Kevin with CS50 Project 4. To create a new post, we use the text field at the top of the all post page, and also you can navigate back to it using the add button, which is over here. Let's try post. As you can see, it is immediately posted over here. On the all post page, we have the text field, a list of posts, the navigation bar, and the button. And on a post, we have the name of the poster, the time of posting, the contents, an option to comment, likes and the number of likes, and also an option to edit. Going to the profile, let's go to our profile. We have the name of the user, the email, the number of followers, the number of people following, and also a list of posts by the person, and also the pagination, and also the button to go back to the all post page. Going to a different user, here you can see we have the unfollow, the unfollow button, and also the unfollow. Let's unfollow a person. As you can see, the number of change. Let's follow him back. As you can see, the change is immediate. Okay, going to the following, you can see we have a list of posts for the people you are following, and for now we are following user 2 and admin. Let's unfollow user 2. We have admin only post. Let's unfollow. Now we have no post available. Okay, now let's go to the all post page and look at the pagination. As you can see, we have different pages. Let's go to the third one. As you can see, we have different posts. Let's go to the last. We have the different posts. As you can see, with the last one being 956, 58. The latest one being this one. Now we can edit a post if we are the person who has posted it. For instance, this post we can edit it, but we cannot edit this post on this post. As you can see, let's edit. Save. As you can see, we can also like and unlike a post. Let's like this post and unlike it. As you can see, the changes immediate, whereby the number changes with the number of posts. In this case, we have 3 likes. Let's unlike it. We're back to 2 likes. Let's like it. Okay, the page is also responsive in that we can change the size of the elements. As you can see, the elements change in size. Also, we can comment, add comment, close it. In this one, you can see we have the list of comments. For a person who was logged out, we can only see the all post page. Thank you for listening.